Hi guys, so in this video I'll show you that how you can create your own pets on the touch bar of MacBook. So let's go. So first what we need to do is you can just type touch bar pet and go to the first link, and then you can download it from here. And since I have downloaded it already, I won't be doing it again, but make sure to download it. Now I'll open my touch bar pets and show you. So when we open this, we have the option to play, and then we can either adopt the pets, and if you already have, then you can adopt it, otherwise create it. So right now I'm giving the name as Rose, and the dog type can be anything you want. So right now I'm just keeping it as dog, okay. And then the pet type is white, or I'll just select brown and then create. So here they'll mention a few set of steps which you can use to have fun with it. So just go next. Okay, so I will pause for a moment and show you. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and if we now see our touch bar, we can see our dog sitting on that, right? Yeah, so it is roaming around. So here let us check out few options. So the first one is the shop, where we can buy food. So I'll just buy this and then I'll go back, okay. And then I have the option of walking also. So here we can select how many minutes we want to walk and some instructions which you can check on your own. Just finish, and right now I'll take a short walk. And now you can see, like, as I hold it forward, you can just move it left or right, you just need to hold the leash. And in between you will also see some letters coming up. You just need to click on that and it will disappear. And finally yeah, right, see, there is this letter, and if you just click on it, it will go away. So this is the way you walk your dog. So now I'll exit the walk since I don't want to walk anymore. Then here we have the mode, and we have 4 pizza slices, so which will appear here, and the dog will eat. And there are other things also which you can explore, and this is just for fun. So just explore this when you have your own time and have fun. Thank you for watching this.